The 45LS bar threading machine is a high-performance, heavy-duty machine designed to meet the demanding needs of modern construction and infrastructure projects. Manufactured and imported by Fastech Machinery Private Limited. This equipment brings together precision engineering and operator safety, making it an ideal solution for rebar threading. The 45LS can thread steel bars with diameter ranging from 16 mm to 45 mm, covering the most common sizes used in building structures, bridges, and other large-scale projects. To suit various threading requirements, the machine supports multiple thread pitches including 1.75 mm, 2 mm, 2.5 mm, and 3 mm. This flexibility ensures that you can achieve the desired threading standards without needing additional equipment. Depending on the project specification, the 45LS can create thread angles of 60 degrees or 75 degrees. It also accurately maintains the helix angle during operation, ensuring strong, durable threads that perfectly match engineering standards. The machine operates with a main shaft speed ranging between 62 to 93 rotation per minute. The optimized speed range provides a perfect balance between productivity and threading quality. With a maximum rolling length of 120 mm, users can easily thread a substantial portion of the bar, enhancing joint strength and overall structural integrity. Weighing 350 kilograms, the machine is extremely stable during operation. Its robust construction ensures minimal vibration and maximum precision, even under continuous heavy-duty usage. Safety is a key focus area for Fastech Machinery. The 45LS model comes equipped with a limit switch, a critical feature that automatically stops the machine after completing the set threading line. This prevents overthreading, reduces machine wear, and protects the operator. If you are looking for a powerful, precise, and durable bar threading solution, the 45LS bar threading machine from Fastech Machinery Private Limited is the perfect fit for your needs. With its versatile design, advanced safety features, and its performance, it's the right choice for contractors, builders, and engineers who refuse to compromise on quality.